on this episode of Marriage Bootcamp.
By the end of today, we will know who's willing to fight for their marriage and who's just ready to give up.
I suspect you should pay some alimony.
Hell no.
Guys aren't sick.
You had every opportunity to sit there and be real with me. I don't want to be.
You also are violent.
Not violent.
Haven't been a man all day. You a man?
It started with you.
When marriages are disasters, Jim and Elizabeth Carroll are the last resort. They've rescued thousands of marriages.
Just get out of my bed!
But can they save a bridezilla's?
Feeling is an emotion, and you don't have it. I am terrified of you. You're failing again. Walk back now, Thomas, or this is done. Go ahead, I will kill you.
Who will survive? Marriage Bootcamp.
Good morning, boot campers.
We're gonna go on a little field trip. I hope you all are ready.
We get blindfolded. I don't like surprises. I don't want to do this.
I really want to know where we're going. I mean, I like surprises.
I like surprises, you know. I do.
Uh-oh. Stop.
Welcome. All right, we're gonna step down. Nice and easy.
Girls, we're moving forward. Follow me.
Oh, my God.
Nice, easy step. Here, step up a little bit forward.
Okay, everyone, you can take your blindfolds off. As you can see, you are in a court of law.
There's nothing positive about a courthouse, ever.
Good ever comes from a courthouse.
Ever. If you're going to the courthouse, it's bad news.
Look, some of you have been tossing around the word divorce like it's not a big deal, right? You're about to see what divorce is really like at its worst.
Today's exercise is designed to show the couples the reality of divorce. Because in divorce, everyone loses. And today, we're just gonna show them just how ugly it can get.
And it will allow us to evaluate who is truly in touch with the kind of loss that they could face and who is being resistant.
I advise you to take this process very seriously because this is a real court of law. This is a real judge.
We've only been married for 5 months, but we have thrown the word divorce out.
I haven't.
But in the midst of arguments, you have said, yeah, I'm just done with this. So you are
I mean,
just as guilty.
done with the situation.
No, you're not. You're done with
I've never
both.
said I want a divorce.
You're done with me.
Are you guys nervous?
No.
Yes. Why are you nervous?
Do you see who I'm married to? Hulkamania will come out.
I'm not worried. You should be more concerned.
Were you guys worried? Well, you've been this through before, no?
Yes, sir.
How did that divorce go?
Terrible.
It's rough.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, I'm gonna win in this divorce. All you take from the house is the mattress.
Sophia. Nice to meet you. So we have a very short period of time for me to understand all the points you can give me against your husband.
She has a lot more anger issues now than she did before. And with all the arguments and stuff, my blood pressure's high. So, I mean, I would say I feel like I'm gonna have like a stroke.
His anger problems.
Drinks? Does he get violent? Does he ever hit you?
Does he have anger issues? Does he do steroids? It's upsetting because I'm telling them all the negative things about Sean, even though I know that there's positives.
When you go up there, you can't think about if he's going to get mad. You need to stick up for yourself. This is the place. You said you need to stand up for you. Okay, but if you don't do it here, you can lose everything, and it will affect you the rest of your life.
All rise, come to order. This court is now in session. The Honorable Gretchen Taylor presiding.
Good afternoon, counsel. You may be seated. This is the matter of Sophia and Sean. Sophia, come on over here. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yeah.
Good day, Sophia.
Hello.
Why do you put 80% of your income into your own account and 20% into the joint account?
I mean, I do have bills to pay.
Okay, and what kind of bills are those?
A breast augmentation.
Okay. Okay. My client says sometimes you're on Facebook late at night. Has anyone ever left a message for you on Facebook that says, "You will always be my Sophia"?
Oh, my God. God.
So do you have any sexual relations with him? Yes or no? Okay, Your Honor, I have no further questions.
I'm mad right now. Sean says these nasty things, and you don't want people to look at you that way. It's just not fun at all.
Hi, Sean. Good afternoon.
Hi.
You're a big guy. You're a good bodybuilder, I bet.
Try.
You're kind of a bully, aren't you? You get in her face, don't you?
She gets in my face, too.
I'm not asking about mutuality. Please answer yes or no. You get into her face. Okay. All right.
It's never gotten physical, though.
But you verbally abuse her. Is that a result of the alcohol that you consume?
I don't drink like that.
I understand you do.
Stop talking!
I'm not gonna shut up!
So you still drink. 2 nights ago when you drank, excuse me, you got angry.
I'm not gonna say I don't have anger problems, but...
Okay, thank you, you do. And it gets worse when you drink, right?
It might appear that way.
You also are violent.
Not violent.
Verbal
Never.
abuse is violence. And I have no further questions.
I'm getting labeled as a bad guy, and I don't like it.
Everybody knows that Sean has an anger management problem. They've all seen it. I'm sorry.
You folks are really a walking disaster. Anger, violence, verbal abuse. So I would take custody of any money I could find in your lives. And the money that is being held in the court is going to be used for Sean to go to domestic violence perpetrator classes, which are more rigorous than anger management classes. All right. Thank you both very much. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Thank you, counsel.
I disagree that I need those classes.
But I think that you need help.
You need to learn a little better how to watch what you're saying, how you're saying it, or how you might go about it.
Good afternoon, Mark.
Good afternoon.
So let's talk about the lying. I understand that you have not been honest with her.
There's, a couple things I may have lied about, 1 or 2, but from there she thinks everything else is a lie, so.
Well, she has a basis for that, doesn't she?
No, because.
Give me an example of a lie that shouldn't bother her.
The main one she holds on to all the time is that I didn't come out completely about my past.
Cheating. Your Honor, I think it's evident that there isn't total forthrightness going on here.
Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I don't want to sit there and make you out to be this horrible person.
That's how I'm made out to be.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, so I looked bad the other night. Okay. So if I wasn't drunk and I got in an argument with you, I still would have probably looked bad.
Stop going back to that. Stop going back to yourself.
Gloria, now you total as a family have 5 children, is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay. And you would say you love these children, correct?
Yes.
But you do hit your children.
Mark is a dirtball. I'm very surprised at the way that Mark is behaving.
Gloria, you are under oath, okay? So I'm gonna ask you again, have you ever hit them? You are under oath, okay? So I'm gonna ask you again, have you ever hit your children?
I do whip them, yes, I do.
Do you think it's the same to spank a child and to whip them?
I think it's the same.
Okay, and how do you justify that whipping?
If they do something that they know that they're not supposed to, that would justify a whooping.
I do agree with the way Gloria disciplines the kids, but I'll make it look worse than what it is if we have to get a divorce.
That's what liars do.
Have you ever hit him?
Yeah, I've hit him.
Oh, you have?
I have.
Okay. Your Honor, I have no more further questions.
I'm out to protect my kids and keep them with me, so if I have to do what I gotta do.
Wow. Who are you anyway?
The man of your dreams.
The man of my nightmares.
I gather that violence has become a way of life for you.
There you go.
So this is my decision, Gloria. I'm going to award to you anger management classes.
Thank you.
Good luck to both of you.
It's just showing his ugly side, which is all of this side right here.
I don't think Gloria learned anything. These issues are our problems, not just mine.
Okay. I wouldn't make you look bad as a parent. I wouldn't try to do that.
It's real life stuff. Yeah?
I abuse my kids, real life. I just want to move on from this situation.
All right, this is the case of Mei Lee and Thomas.
This is cake. I got this. I think Thomas is gonna be worse off.
How do you figure?
You're gonna need me.
Without you and the money I make? Please.
Would you consider yourself financially irresponsible?
No, I'm the one that takes care of everything.
We're supposed to be saving money, but there's no money.
We spent $30,000 just on our wedding.
It was more like a $70,000 wedding.
I certainly think that Thomas has a better handle on money management.
Jeff, the moment that baby was born, where were you? You're the father.
I was either
Jeffrey,
at work.
I was up with the baby all night.
I'm sure you were, sweetheart.
Someone needs to step up and parent her.
I understand that you abuse your wife. You went to hit her face, and instead you hit a wall.
That is an absolute lie.
You do have a drinking problem, correct?
Maybe sometimes I get over-beveraged.
Thank you, counsel. I've heard more than enough.
There were erroneous accusations. They had no... She just tried to throw dirt, the obvious dirt.
Hi, Blanca. Have you ever had Botox before?
No.
You've never had Botox?
No.
Okay, I'm just gonna let you know, when you testify under oath, that means if you lie on the stand, you could be subject to 4 years at the state pen. So I'm gonna ask you again, have you ever had Botox?
Yes.
Yes, okay.
Oh my God.
For once in your
Is it like
life,
a
Stella.
crime? I live in LA. It's what you do.
Then don't lie about
It's
it.
one time.
Have you ever cheated on Julian?
No.
Okay, Julian, would you say your wife's lying on the stand right now under
Absolutely.
oath?
She already got caught. If she would lie about Botox, why wouldn't she lie about being unfaithful?
He's a storyteller. He's multiplying things.
In the presence.
Blanca, thank you very much.
I did not lie.
The bailiff was gonna walk over and put you in handcuffs at one point.
I would have stabbed him before he put handcuffs on me.
See what I have to deal with?
So one of the guiding principles about courtrooms is, who do you believe?
Me.
No, I don't believe you. I suspect you should give him a new start in life and pay some alimony.
Oh, no. Hell no.
Yes, I don't think that there's much here to salvage.
It hurts me, Your Honor, to hear that.
Well, Blanca is filled with contempt for the court, as well as contempt for you. So that's my decision. Thank you very much. Court's adjourned.
Blanca lives in this little bubble that she has created where everything is about her and she can do no wrong.
Right, and his selfish behavior and his denial makes the other person feel insignificant and at fault, and many times that leads to divorce. Let's have a little talk out here. What do you think?
I don't want to get divorced. So, I basically lose twice.
How do you feel about the way he's feeling right now?
It hurts me. I don't want to see him like that.
Well, how about just not treating him like crap and be accountable to yourself? You go, I'm wrong about this. I'm wrong about this. You know what? I apologize.
I'm just not sure what I'm sorry about.
Wow.
I just want to give up. I feel like the only way to get to Blanca is the divorce, is the only way she'll learn. And by then it's too late because there's no going back from that.
Today was just a taste of what divorce is like.
Now, for some of you, this might actually be the best option. That remains to be determined. Hopefully, you will think carefully before you make any speedy decisions about breaking your commitment to one another.
Go home, get some rest, because we have a really tough drill tomorrow.
How'd your divorce go?
I won. Blanca got found a liar.
Sean gets to take domestic violence classes.
But we kind of saw that coming, right?
Sitting here listening to all the couples discuss how their court cases went actually makes us look pretty good.
Are you getting a drink?
Oh, I was getting wine.
Yeah, I need a refill. See, I'm mixing darks and white liquors. That's
bad.
I know, but I can't help it.
It was a rough
It
divorce
was a
for
rough
you,
day.
too?
I need to loosen up. They really need to look at that. And she kept saying, you're an alcoholic.
Sean is drinking again.
We had regular glasses, and he had these big cups.
Sean, why don't you go make yourself another sandwich?
I'm not hungry. I'm thirsty. Drink it up. Sippy sip on my cup.
She just wants you to be more conscious and then stop drinking. Let that be your last drink.
I think Gloria, he needs to just make that decision on his own. We can't be in there counseling for him all the time. He's
trying to apologize.
Go ahead. You want me to hold your drink for you? You want me to hold your drink for you? I'll hold it.
I'll finish it there.
Just finish your drink and take it.
I'll hold it.
Don't worry. Gloria's not going to be your cup holder.
I'll hold it.
Keep going.
You want me to hold
That's the one that needs to matter the most.
I'll
Whatever
hold it.
she says goes.
I'll hold it. Says the person that's getting into people's business too.
I will continue to speak my mind.
And I will too. Yes, and I won't get tired. 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 Guess what?
You're in everybody else's business.
You're giving this dumb bitch the attention she wants, bro.
Hey, my wife ain't a bitch, bro. You better hold your mouth.
You haven't been a man all
That's it.
Bitch don't never call nobody no bitch. I swear to God, I'll kill your ass. You call my girl bitch.
I'll rip your head off on TV.
I'm a fucking killer. I am a killer. I am a killer.
Hit me. Hey, Sean. Sean.